That's the resilient bars in place. On walls, studs, it asks for 600 centres. These are slightly under because I've got a good spacing on it, so it's slightly less than 600. I always leave a little bit of overhang there because that's how quick and easy it is. So then you literally soundboard on top of that. Now I'll run them lengthways like that, so the boards would basically fit in like that. Then you go over it again, staggering the joint, and you just standard the black phosphorus screws penetrate into that, no problem at all. So you don't, I haven't needed any special screws for this. I've just used the standard plasterboard screws. They go straight into that. It's really easy. You can beef these up. I just put in at the minute one screw into each joist, but I'll probably beef that up and just put a couple more in a sec. But yeah, that was just to show you how quick and easy it is. That would be the board straight up. I always allow a little bit of flex. Don't push tight against the wall because you want the resilient bar to be able to move, because the point of it is the boards pull away from the wall, creating a gap, so you need that quite loose. I come up from the floor a bit and I come down from the ceiling a bit to give it some play. Otherwise, that's it.
That
So that's it there, that's the acoustic sealant that goes right around the edge of the wall. This will be trimmed back later, and then when I'm finished with this bit here, this will all be boarded exactly the same way I've done there. The only difference being I'm going to pop the board here, and then that will butt up to it. But yeah, for now I'll just pop the couple there. So these basically I've just run them up to there, so when this one comes up it'll just go pop straight onto it there, and that should be it. So yeah, so it doesn't actually take long. I mean, I've had to bring boards up on my own and it all takes a bit more time, but you know, a couple hours, it's not too bad. You know, it's quite quick once you get used to it. The resilient bars don't take any time, to be honest, but yeah, all good to go. Oh, and then the only difference is, later stage when I come to do this spot, I'll add in a insulation in between the joists there, or the you know, the timbers, the uprights, and then it's all good to go. Oh, again, probably want to add a few more screws in. I've just run out of the good fixings that would get me to the thing, so I'll probably go in one lot again, just to beef it right up, get a load of fixings in it and that. Right, there you go. Hope you enjoy.